Morning, my dear students. Today we start with Learn Well English. Lesson number 3.2. The name of the chapter is Environmental Pollution. Nowadays, the pollution is increasing in the atmosphere. Environmental pollution means the fouling of the natural world in which people, animals, and plants live. It is the spoiling of land, water, and air by smoke, chemicals, waste materials, and other harmful substances. You can see so much of smoke is coming out from the vehicles and factories. It is very harmful for our health also, for animals also, for birds also, and it even pollutes our earth, our planet. The problem of pollution is not a new one. In the Middle Ages, also most towns were dirty. Water supplies were foul and disease spread very quickly. But then the main cause of the pollution was ignorance and illiteracy. Now these causes have been removed to a great extent, yet the problem of pollution still exists. In fact, the problem has become more serious than ever before. Now it is not the result of any ignorance or illiteracy, it is a result of man's greed, selfishness and carelessness. Means per person you have a separate vehicle in the house. Nobody wants to ride a cycle, and that vehicle pollution is mostly people are not going by walking, just they need a vehicle. And the pollution of land is due to the increasing quantities of industrial and household waste. Every day the factories produce new and different kinds of goods for people to buy. The old ones are thrown out with the household rubbish. Burning this refuse pollutes the air. Dumping it in rivers and seas pollutes the water also. Tipping it on land makes an unpleasant sight. Also takes up much valuable space. The trees are more cut and the space for people is been allotted, more houses are built, and that's why there is more pollution. Getting rid of the plastic is particularly difficult. After some time, wood and paper decay through the action of bacteria, but plastics never decay. The more we throw away, the more litter is produced. If you look any garbage dump, in addition to vegetable scraps, papers and broken glasses, you will notice a considerable amount of plastic material such as shampoo bottles, bags, worn out slippers and the like. Vegetable scraps and papers are biodegradable, but glass and plastic continue to accumulate and pollute the environment. Plastic is often taken for food by birds, animals and fish, leading to their death. It also chokes our sewers, pipes, and then the dirty, smelly water starts flowing out of manholes. In the year 1971, children, a curious case of land pollution came to light in the New York State of America, in the neighborhood of famous Niagara Falls. There was an old canal called Love Canal. The dry bed of this canal was used as a dump by plastics and chemicals company during the 1940s and 1950s. Then the land was filled in and capped with clay. Houses and a school were built there. In 1971, poisonous chemicals, some of which could cause cancer, were seen leaking through the clay over there. Love Canal became a terribly dangerous area to live in, and people had to move away from there. Over $20 million had to be spent in stopping the leaks. The world's oceans have been used as dustbins. Children, millions of tons of rubbish is being dumped into the seas every year, harming the marine life. If too much sewage is poured into the seas, lakes and rivers from swales, the water can no longer dilute it, and all the oxygen is used up and the fish die. The bacteria which normally break down the sewage into harmless substances also die. Only harmful bacteria which do not need air remain, and these become the cause of. You can see nowadays harmful diseases are coming and which are not curable because of this pollution. Smoke from factory chimneys and exhaust fumes from motor vehicles pollute the air and cause many deadly diseases. I told you that nowadays you don't want to use cycles. Every now and then, as soon as you grow up, you want two-wheelers, and that also causes pollution. Chemicals in the air combine with moisture to make acids, and these acids eat away stone and bricks and thus damage buildings. Pollution is also caused by fertilizers and insecticides used by farmers. Chemicals in the fertilizers may be washed from the soil into rivers, then in water they can make algae grow so fast that the river can get choked and kill all life in it. You can see over here so much of rubbish is there in the river. Here the bridge is going on, from here the river water, it is so dirty. The use of pesticides also can be very harmful. Pesticides are poisonous chemicals used to kill harmful pests. Plants sprayed with pesticides are eaten by animals and thus they take the poison into their bodies. People who eat the flesh of these contaminated animals can get many dangerous diseases, those who eat non-veg. Ridding our world of pollution is an unimaginably big task, children. See, anti-pollution measures are often unpopular and unprofitable. So many governments and big companies are slow to act. People like the idea of reducing pollution, but not when it affects their way of life. For example, all of us know that plastics and aerosols are dangerous for our environment, but how many of us would stop using or making them? However, pollution has to be controlled, otherwise one day our earth will become so polluted that no life will be possible on it. So pollution is a global problem, children, and all of us living in this globe will have to fight it individually as well as unitedly. I just can't help but wonder why none of us does ever try to find a safer, better way to put our poisonous waste away. Means this plastic waste you should not throw every now and then here and there. You should put it in the dustbin, and from the dustbin the recycling process should be done of that plastic material so it doesn't harm our land. So children, by seeing this chapter, what you have to learn, that you are not supposed to use plastic more. You have to use paper bags or cotton jute bags more instead of plastic, as well as you use more cycle, or you prefer walking instead of using every now and then vehicles, and you should not pollute our earth.